Hey guys, alrighty then here. Hey guys, alrighty then here. Oh yes. This is the HoopMaster. The HoopMaster, it's an embroidery system. I'm gonna start doing embroidery. You're gonna see a couple more videos on embroidery, so get ready. I might transfer them over to a different channel, which will be exclusive on apparel. But get ready. We'll see what happens. We'll go with this. So I just got this HoopMaster by Midwest Products. And I am going to start putting it together. This is a system that helps you hoop the clothes when you're embroidering them for consistent placement of the embroidery when you get it done. So I guess this is one of the legs. Here's another one of the legs. And some assembly is required on this. So we're gonna go ahead and just get it done. Let's take everything out of the box. All right. We got this thing here, this thing here. Okay, so it's not that bad. You can loosen these legs up and stand it up how high that you want it. Okay. You adjust the height with these here. I'm gonna put it right there at the maximum. So if you want to store this, you could store it down or store it up. I'm just gonna put it here for now. So when this is not in use, it's gonna go underneath my embroidery machine. And I can just break it down very easily. If I'm gonna be doing a big cat job or something, or one of those, you know, something of that nature, if I'm gonna be doing shirts, polo shirts, I'll be using this. But what this does is it allows you, all right, come on now, behave. So this is going to allow me to put the clothes here, and it's gonna hoop right into it. Here's the second part of it. Aha, here it is. So this is everything that comes in the kit. All right, so let me see. Pull this out of here. Comes with a little T-square packing slip. Now, this is just a starter kit, and they come with different magnetic rings. And it comes with this small one for now. And this is going to be for just chest pocket. Keep device from credit cards. Ooh, you can't put it next to credit cards. They're really strong, these hoops. No pacemakers either. Whoa. These things are really strong. Whew. That's pretty awesome. You just line it up here. Ah, it got my skin. This is really tight. Wow, look at this. Can you see that? Whew. That's freaking tight. Little T-square. Man, this is so fancy. So fancy. Take that out. I don't know. It'd help if I read the instructions, right? Before I go break it. Let's see. Let's see what we're supposed to do here. seems complicated. Assembly of freestyle arm mounting base. So this base here can be mounted on a regular table just by screwing these 4 screws, or you use the base that it came with to mount it. And this is going to help you with the hoop placement. All right. Let's put that together. Pretty straightforward how to put it together. This is going to go on top and this goes towards the bottom. These are not lock nuts, but they do lock. So the only thing you need is a screwdriver to get this to go together. You see the grooves on the bottom of the nut? That's what's gonna make it grab and hold. I might have done that a little bit too fast, and you may not have seen it. Now I'm going to put the other side. Let me put this aside for now. And then we'll go little by little. So this video is going to be mostly on how to put it together. So if you don't know how to put it together and the instructions aren't too clear, this always helps to have a visual, something that you can follow. Okay? And here is the screwdriver. And we're just going to give that a nice tighten. Again, these nuts kind of tighten themselves, so just by doing this with the screwdriver is good enough. If you don't have the grip strength, then you can use a nut driver. But that's fine like that, and that's it. So this base is going to serve like this, so that you can then put the garment over it and then hoop it. Okay, that's how to put that together, okay? Very easy, super simple. Let's set that aside. Document hole. Hooping instructions. Freestyle arm. Okay, I think I have to take this freestyle arm out. This is the freestyle arm, so this screw, I believe, must come out. They give you the tiniest little screw there. Is that supposed to go with it? So how am I supposed to take that apart? Freestyle. Okay. No screws, just pry it apart slowly. Don't bend them. There you go. Okay. You have these pins here, and this is the freestyle hoop. So the freestyle hoop goes on here like this, slips underneath, and there's a little pin. You saw the pin. That pin is going to go right into here, and then that goes tightened down. Okay. So for the freestyle hoop, you would still put this here like that, and this is what's going to help you put the hoop in, because the clothes would go inside this little pocket. So I am thinking, this is me thinking outside the box. That this goes here. Like so. Your hoop is gonna go here, right in these grooves. There's these grooves go right in here like this. So you're gonna put the clothes right inside. Let's say this is the shirt. I put the shirt inside here, exactly where I want my embroidery to go, and then I just press this down, and it automatically locks in place. And then I can take it out of here, and here it is. It's already hooped. And that's pretty tight. Listen to that. That's really tight. Not gonna go anywhere. So you would do the same thing with this. So in this scenario, you're gonna take your hoop, gently take it off of this. You gotta do them both at the same time. So depending on where you want the logo to go, whether it's a couple inches here, and it'll tell you the number depending on the clothes, depending on the size. That's the number you pick, and that number has to coincide with this little hole right here. So let's say I want the number 6. I put the number 6 right in the middle, and the little things fit right in the grooves, and it shows you the number 6. So you're gonna take your hoop, the base, you're going to set it down here first, and then it just snaps right in. You don't have to lift this, it just snaps right in. Okay? Your hoop is gonna go with everything facing you right into the hole. You're gonna take your shirt and you're gonna put the shirt over this as you would, so it fits right across. So if this is my shirt, we put it right in, and so that we don't have to mess around too much, we just take this and press it into it. And that's it. It's already hooped. Ready to put it in the embroidery machine. Listen to that. So nice and easy, guys. That wasn't too hard. That's it. This is how to put it together and how to use it. Very simple. If I had a shirt. Do I have a shirt here? No. Okay. But you get the point though, right? You slip the shirt into here. This has to go underneath first. So you would take this with the numbers face down, just stick it right in there, push it in, you're ready to go. I'm not sure what these are for, but anyway, they're fine right there. So you put the clothes here. Oh, okay, this is in case you have a small piece of material that you want to use, like in let me see if that works. For the backing, this is for the stabilizer. You're gonna put your stabilizer inside these little things. That's what's gonna hold the stabilizer in place. And then you would put your shirt on top of that. And then you're gonna take this with the screws down, the warning on top, right? And then you're gonna press. And so that is going to release your stabilizer and the shirt. Again, check that out. Great. Okay, well, hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You heard it here first. Nice. Now, to embroider.